The role of women and men have undoubtedly evolved over the years. Women are progressing into the boardrooms and taking up leadership roles. But the statistical comparison between the amount of men and women who actually account for executive positions still has a long way to go. There are definitely still a lot more male bosses than female. Perhaps to increase the amount of female leaders in every society, we should begin with everyone starting to truly embrace women as leaders and see us as equals. Take a look at this recent Pantene Pro V commercial that shines a spotlight on this issue.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for their daily races, going nowhere, and their tears are filling up their glasses. No expression, no expression. Mad world, mad world.
I showed the commercial to a fellow female colleague to find out her perspective on the commercial. Yentl Simon says the message of the video is to everyone. Both females and males need to start treating their bosses as equals despite their gender.
Women tend to be jealous in the workplace or even on the streets amongst each other, and I think it is wrong because they should embrace each other and make it work for each other, or try helping each other and make something big happen instead of boycotting each other or bad talking each other, or even the looks that you get at the workplace. And it all, I think, if you make it a better place to be at, everyone works better and you will create a better atmosphere at work.
I also spoke to ATV's camera operator Roderick Tromp for a male's perspective. To him, this video reminds us to respect everyone. Women deserve the same respect as men, especially if they earned a leadership role.
Well, from my experience with my family, my friends, some of them do have this opinion right here, but personally, I find that everybody's equal. Okay, I don't see the difference. Whoever has the boss position, she or he earned it. So it's not basically about, oh, she's being nasty because she's the boss and everything. No, that's her job. She worked for it. So I respect her for it.
Not only does this commercial bring a strong message forward, it is also a very smart marketing idea.
I do think that the commercial is very important. It gives you a look into what people think but don't say. And the commercial emphasizes that still some places or some people do think that the man should have the power, or the man does no wrong. And I do think that it's wrong, because the woman also has to get the chance to prove herself and not be labeled by being pushy, being overconfident, self-confident, or showing off. It's just that the woman has to play a bigger role, and everyone has to embrace it, I think. If everyone embraces the role of the woman, then it doesn't have to be conflictive with the role of the men.
Pantene Pro V is a company known for its hair products for mainly females, but with this video they are able to capture the attention of every demographic.
Normally, Pantene is a product for hair. And basically, it's supposed to be more about what women want, standards of that, because, of course, women take care more of their hair than the men do. And I find this commercial very controversial, but it also takes your attention, because this is not normally what's going on in those kind of commercial. So for what they did, they took my attention towards the commercial.